everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Jan, and in this video I want to give you some updates about my giveaway about these little dolls which we call matryoshka in Russian. We call matryoshki. And you're probably thinking, is she really giving it away or what, because there are no news, there is nothing about it. And yes, of course, I'm giving them away. So right now we are in November, and the first month was October, and the first doll I already gave away, and that doll found its new home in Canada. Yes! Woo! The first doll stays in the house. The girl name is Catherine. Hi Catherine! She got a little surprise, and I'm very glad for her. I hope she really likes the little doll just like I like them. And well, the doll is going to enjoy a new home in Canada, and so here we are. So the first October doll stays in Canada, and the second November doll, I would just call them like this probably. So the November month, the second doll is going to one of my viewers, and I never met him. His name is Brandon. Hi Brandon! I just wanted to send this doll to you because you are very supportive, you are commenting a lot, and all these months you all the time write nice messages. So thank you so much, because you really support me, and as a thank you I wanted to send you this little doll. Yes, so I really hope you're going to receive it before Christmas. So this little doll is going to enjoy a new home in USA. So thank you Brandon, it should arrive to you, I hope so. I never sent anything in America, so it's going to be the first time, and I have no idea how fast it will get to you, but I hope it will be not too long, and you will get it before Christmas. I just want to say thank you to everybody who's watching my videos, and who leaves nice comments. It's very nice, and for your subscriptions, because you kind of support me, and that's why I really like and make these videos, because I know that you are there, you are watching them, and some of you are enjoying actually my videos. Thank you so much for this. And so if you would like to take part in this competition, we still have now 10 months now, so please subscribe to my channel, of course. If you can just go onto my site, which is vacationality.com. On that site I put all the photos from my trips, and also I post these videos, but you can go into my blog, maybe have a look there, and press like if you like it on, so it will be like on the Facebook, which is well, going to be really nice. And under this video, if you could just write your name that you would like to receive one of these dolls. And also I would like to ask you, so the other two dolls are going to be, because I will be staying in the US for December and January, so I would like someone from the US also win one of the Russian dolls. So it's going to be two of you from the US, so please, if you could just write under this video that you would like to receive one of these dolls, you would like to take part in it, in this giveaway, and just say that you are from the US, because I will be sending it to everyone who will win. It will be two of you. I will just pick you randomly really, and so I will send it to your US mailing address. So that's all I wanted to say, but don't worry please if you are from the other countries, because I will be traveling all over the world. As you know, I'm like on a round the world trip right now, and of course I will be giving away these little dolls to my viewers in the other countries. I will be telling you every time I will be giving away these dolls, I will be telling you which country participating in next giveaway month. So here it is. I just want to show you again. Brandon, that's one for you. And thank you everyone for watching. Please subscribe and take part in this giveaway, and see you later. Bye.